So now let's see 1.5 a Kabaddi match part 2. Slowly he inched towards his court. He means Mangesh. All the anti-raiders with all their might were trying their best to pull him back. But with a great determination and without losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the midline. There were cheers in the air. This was turning point. So, with the great determination, Mangesh decided to touch the midline without losing his breath, and he was successful in finishing his task and coming back to his court after touching the midline. So, that was the victory for them. He had not only saved himself but was also able to score 3 points for his team, as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out. Here Mangesh had not only saved himself but also scored 3 points for his team by eliminating Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya. Now 9B began to play cautiously. Cautiously means carefully. 9B began to play very carefully because already they lost their 3 good players. Mihir, one of their raiders, even managed to tag Sohan in 9A. Here Sohan from 9A was out because Mihir from 9B managed to tag him. Now it was Vivek's raid. He always played with strategies. Strategies means plan, and they work fine. Vivek always made plan before playing the game, and it worked well. The remaining 3 players from 9B trapped Vivek. Trapped means surrounded. There were only 3 players left from 9B, and they trapped Vivek. He slowly moved back towards his court. The 3 anti-raiders also moved with him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline, with the anti-raiders still hanging onto his arm. Oh! The whole of the 9B team was declared out. Here Vivek used his strategy, and really it worked well. So because of that, the whole of the 9B team was declared out. 9A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Lona. Lona means extra point. It was an icing on the cake. An icing on the cake means something that makes a good situation even better. Means here 9A already scored 3 points, but now they got 3 more bonus point, means extra point. What an enviable score. It set the heads of 9B reeling. Means here 9B was confused because still they were not getting any point. After the half-time break, the star players of 9A were full of confidence. Now 9A's confidence was increased because of scoring points. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the S raiders Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. Once again, 9A successfully caught 3 good players from 9B, Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. 9A outplayed 9B in all the areas of Kabaddi. Their team spirit means teamwork. Their confidence means trust. Their strategies means plan. Their swiftness means moving with rapid speed. Suppleness, flexibility helped them to beat 9B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. 9B never lost any match before this, but now 9A defeated 9B because of their teamwork, confidence, strategy, swiftness, suppleness. 9A's played with 9B very well and 9A defeated 9B. Here 9A has declared winner. Means 9A proved themselves they were also outstanding and good player. So children, all players require their qualities to achieve the goal. We have seen in this lesson practice of trial matches in between 9A and 9B here. It tells us never take of opposite team lightly. Though you may be good player or do not be overconfidence, means overconfidence is always dangerous. Now children, I have given worksheet below. Please solve this and send it to me on WhatsApp group. Thank you children. Be safe and stay at home.